The main objective of this research is to develop a system for soil mapping and monitoring of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, or NPK nutrients, using optical transducers implemented through wireless sensor networks. Specifically, it aims to design a wireless sensor network of optical transducers to create a graphical user interface, or GUI, for displaying, mapping, and monitoring of NPK nutrient content in soil, to test the resiliency and reliability of wireless sensor networks. So this is the place where the server of the wireless sensor network will be located. Let's go! Currently here at the sugarcane plantation here in Western Visayas, specifically in Calinob, Iloilo, 65 kilometers away from the city proper. I'll be deploying the optical sensor that I will be making for my research entitled Soil Mapping and Monitoring of NPK Nutrients using Optical Transducer implemented through Wireless Sensor Network.